Hello, today we will be looking at trigonometry values, and today I'm going to teach you a really cool trick on how to remember them. So step 1 is to draw out the table with sine, cos and tan along the top and the important angles along the side. Step 2 is to write the numbers 0 to 4 in the first sine column. So you can see I've written numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 in the first sine column. Step 3 is to write the square root of each number and divide that by 2. So you first put a square root sign over all the numbers that you've written, then put a divide 2 sign next to them. Step 4 is to simplify the fractions. So root 0 over 2 is 0. Root 1 over 2 equals half. Root 2 over 2 doesn't simplify, and so does root 3 over 2. And root 4 over 2 simplifies to 1. Step 5 is to fill in the cos values based on the sine values. So what I've done here is I've taken the sine values and reversed the order and written in the cos values. So for example, sine 0 is the same as cos 90. And sine 30 is the same as cos 60, and so on. And finally, step 6 is to find tan values, which are the sine divided by the cos values. So 0 divided by 1 is 0, half divided by root 3 over 2 is a third, and so on. But for tan 90, there is no answer because 1 divided by 0 is an error. Anyways, I hope this video helped you to remember the values. Please hit like and subscribe to give me some support. Thank you for watching.